Question 1. What is AWS Elastic Beanstalk? The correct answer is B, PaaS for deploying applications. Question 2. What does Beanstalk manage? The correct answer is B, infrastructure, deployment, scaling, monitoring. Question 3. What is a Beanstalk application? The correct answer is B, logical container for environments. Question 4. What is a Beanstalk environment? The correct answer is B, running version of application. Question 5. What environment types exist? The correct answer is B, web server and worker. Question 6. What is a web server environment? The correct answer is B, handles HTTP requests. Question 7. What is a worker environment? The correct answer is B, processes background tasks from SQS. Question 8. What platforms does Beanstalk support? The correct answer is C, Java, .NET, PHP, Node.js, Question Python, 9. Ruby. Can you use Go, custom platforms? Docker. The correct answer is B, yes, with Packer. Question 10. What is an application version? The correct answer is B, specific deployable code iteration. Question 11. How do you deploy code? The correct answer is B, upload zip/war or use Git. Question 12. What deployment policies exist? The correct answer is B, all at once, rolling with batch, immutable. Question 13. What is all at once deployment? The correct answer is B, deploy to all instances simultaneously, downtime. Question 14. What is rolling deployment? The correct answer is B, deploy in batches. Question 15. What is immutable deployment? The correct answer is B, new instances, then swap. Question 16. What is blue/green deployment? The correct answer is B, deploy to new environment, swap URLs. Question 17. Does Beanstalk use auto-scaling? The correct answer is B, yes, automatic scaling. Question 18. Does Beanstalk use load balancer? The correct answer is B, yes, ALB or NLB. Question 19. What is ebextensions? The correct answer is B, configuration files in config format. Question 20. Where do ebextensions files go? The correct answer is B. ebextensions/folder in source. Question 21. What can ebextensions configure? The correct answer is B. Resources, packages, commands, services. Question 22. What is the Procfile? The correct answer is B. Specifies commands to start application. Question 23. What is environment.yaml? The correct answer is B. Environment configuration. Question 24. Can you customize EC2 instances? The correct answer is B. Yes, via ebextensions or AMI. Question 25. Does Beanstalk support RDS? The correct answer is B. Yes, can create or link existing. Question 26. Should you couple RDS with Beanstalk? The correct answer is B. No, use separate RDS for production. Question 27. What is Beanstalk CLI? The correct answer is B. ebCLI for command line management. Question 28. What is ebinit? The correct answer is B. Initialize Beanstalk application. Question 29. What is ebcreate? The correct answer is B. Create new environment. Question 30. What is ebdeploy? The correct answer is B. Deploy application version. Question 31. Can you use Docker with Beanstalk? The correct answer is B. Yes, single or multi-container. Question 32. What is Docker run.aws.json? The correct answer is B. Docker configuration for Beanstalk. Question 33. Does Beanstalk support HTTPS? The correct answer is B. Yes, configure SSL certificate. Question 34. Where do you configure SSL? The correct answer is B. Load balancer. Question 35. Can you use custom domain? The correct answer is B. Yes, via root 53 or CNAME. Question 36. What monitoring does Beanstalk provide? The correct answer is B. CloudWatch metrics and health dashboard. Question 37. What is enhanced health reporting? The correct answer is B. Detailed instance and environment health. Question 38. Can you view logs in Beanstalk? The correct answer is B. Yes, request or download logs. Question 39. What is Beanstalk pricing? The correct answer is B. No charge, pay for underlying resources. Question 40. Can you use VPC with Beanstalk? The correct answer is B, yes, deploy in VPC. Question 41. Can you SSH into instances? The correct answer is B, yes, with EC2 key pair. Question 42. What is saved configuration? The correct answer is B, reusable environment settings. Question 43. Can you clone an environment? The correct answer is B, yes, create copy of environment. Question 44. What is environment swap? The correct answer is B, swap URLs between environments, blue/green. Question 45. Can you roll back deployments? The correct answer is B, yes, redeploy previous version. Question 46. What is lifecycle policy? The correct answer is B, manage application version retention. Question 47. Can you use environment variables? The correct answer is B, yes, configure in environment properties. Question 48. What is platform update? The correct answer is B, update to new platform version. Question 49. Does Beanstalk support C/CD? The correct answer is B, yes, integrates with code pipeline/Jenkins. Question 50. What is the maximum application versions? The correct answer is B, 10.00, default. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.